Welcome to our YouTube channel, Chart and Equity Pro. This video we are recording for mostly our Chart and Equity Pro members, and also the free group members can also get benefited from it. We got request about making a video on how we can trade, how people can trade on our recommendations. So first and foremost rule is to follow the house rules, one of which is dividing your capital, maybe in 20 parts, maybe in 10 parts, just for the sake of keeping the calls numbers to very low. We have divided, we have took a capital structure of 3 lakh and divided it into in 10 parts, and we have just covered here the calls we have given on the pro group for our pro members, and we have just considered all the closed calls, those which has hit the targets and those which has hit the stop loss. We have not covered any future calls which we have given, though we have given good calls on futures too, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even we have not covered the option calls due to like some people can do it, some people can't do it. So for the sake of that and for easy understanding, we have took the option and future trades. We have not took it in consideration in this video. So we have not covered them, though few of the option calls have given good result and good returns in the pro group. But for the sake of understanding, we are just keeping the cash levels or the cash trades. So to start with, we have given a buy on LTI at 6035 levels with a stop loss of 58,875 for the target of 6275, which it achieved. So same way we have took INFI trade with a 3 rupee SL, which it got hit, and then SBI card, which again got hit. So this Excel can be very useful for all the people who want to understand. So if you see, we have divided the capital in 10 parts, and here is a number of stocks which could be bought with the amount of 30,000. So if you see, as per the house rules, if you divide your capital and keep on taking the trade, after one trade closes, if you take another trade, and this way where all the closed calls we have took in consideration. So thing is what we have to understand it, if we bought at 6035 or let's say at 6890 with the targets of 69, 60, 70, 50. First thing, if you take a trade, keep a stop loss at 6830, and your profit should be booked in this ratio. At target 1 it should be 30%, at target 2 it should be 40%, and target 3 it should be 30% more. And few of them, after hitting target 3, if you are making handsome profit, you can keep free assets to build a portfolio too, which we are not covering right now. So we are booking the profit on target 1 30%, target 2 40%, target 3 30%. That's how you have to trade in the pro group and even in the free group too. And when anything reach your target 2, like here in this case the target 2 is 1081, the stock the target 2 here is let's say for example 7250, and you bought it Maruti at 6570. When the target 2 hit, you should trail your SL to target 1, which is 7000. So ultimately you will always be in profit even your target your trailing SL got hit. This is how you should trade. Number 1, whenever you buy, maintain stop loss, book 30% on target 1, book 40% on target 2, and book 30% more on target 3. And when target 2 hits, trail your SL to target 1. When target 3 hits, trail your SL to target 2. This is how we are going to follow the system in our pro group. And considering all the closed calls with the stop loss and target hitting, we have made a report. If somebody has invested 3 lakh and divided it in 10 parts and traded in all our trades, the closed ones I'm talking about, because there are few open ones too which are giving profit, there are few open ones too which are in losses, so we have not covered that. So considering all the cash trades, keeping up, aside the future trades or the option trades, if somebody has traded in the pro group in all the calls, in almost all the calls, uh, he could have made a profit of 15,000 in, let's say, in we have started from 4th March. So in let's say 9-10 days, you could have made a profit of 15,000 on an investment of 3 lakh, because once your call closed, you rotate to the other, and this way it keeps on happening. Some of you might be saying, okay, like I don't get that much time to see or to trade in all the calls. No problem, you take one trade whenever you get time and you see another trade and it is at the buy levels, you do a trade, and this way you can maintain a Excel. For all the pro members, if you want this Excel, we can mail you also, or you can simply put these stock recommendations, buy level, stop loss, target 1 2 3, amount invested, share bought, and this way you can make your own Excel. If you want, we can also mail you that on your respective mail IDs. But this is how we want you to understand. This is how one can trade with our recommendations. If all the recommendations, closed recommendations of our pro group was taken on an investment of 3 lakh, one could have made a profit of 15,000 till now. It could be more had it been your capital been more. So that's something we are not going to dwell in. We are simply keeping a base of 3 lakh, which I think most of us, those who want to trade, can manage or have. So this way you can trade. In case any of our members got any query or anything like that on the pro group, they can put a query on the WhatsApp if you want to understand more about this. And we will be covering one more video for the actionable ideas on a pro group if we find some good trades. So I hope you like the video, guys, and I hope you can stick to a discipline, to a process. That way your trading will be very easy, very automated, and beneficial too. So I hope you like it. In case also, if any of the free members have any query, they can put on the Telegram and they can ask. So no problem with that. And wish you all a very happy trading and very profitable trading too. Thank you guys.